Hi, in this video, we're going to talk about LeetCode 26, which is remove duplicates from sorted array. So in this case, we are given an array here, and then we have to remove the duplicates. So for example, for this one, we have two ones here, so we want to remove one of them and keep only one. And for this one, we have like multiple duplicates, and we're just gonna keep one of them for each element. Let's take this example. So for approach, we're also using the 2 pointers. So this is our array, and we're gonna need a fast pointer and a slow pointer. So just as before, the red will represent the fast pointer and the blue will represent the slow pointer. Then the fast pointer will be the one to move through the array. Oh, so at first we have to start at the second element because we know that the first element will always be the first one, right? So there is only one element. Then for the fast pointer, we'll check if like the current value is equal to the previous value. So this case, it's equal to this, right? So we just only move the fast pointer because we don't want this value, so we have to override it. Then we need a slow pointer to point to it so we can override it afterwards. And for this one, it's not equal to the previous element of the slow pointer, right? So we're just gonna replace it. In this case, it will be 0, 1 here, and then we'll move both pointers. So just see 0, 1, 1. And now it's equals to the previous, this one's equals to the previous one here, right? I think it's better if we do. So 0, it will be 0, 1. In this case, this 1 here is equals to the previous element of the slow pointer, which is 1. So we also have to replace it. So we'll only move the fast pointer here. And until you reach here, it will point to 2. And this one is different to this one element here, right? So we're just gonna add it, like replace it here and move both pointer and so on. So for this one, at the end, we're just gonna return the slow pointer because it would be like the number of elements in the new array. So let's try doing this on LeetCode. At first, we have to create the slow pointer. So the slow pointer will point to the second element in the array. Then we will create a fast pointer. So for fast in range 1 and 11. So we'll loop through the array if the current element that fast is pointing to does not equals to the previous element the slow is pointing to. Then we will replace this because we want to keep the element that fast is pointing to, right? So slow equals to non-fast, and we'll move slow pointer by 1. And after this, we're just gonna return slow because it will be the number of elements in the new array. This is very similar to LeetCode 27 that in my previous video. So now it's accepted. And thank you for watching this video.